Good morning, boys and girls. I'm stripping these leaves to get a bunch ready. I've got some in here already done. This stripping system, I've never found anything better than that. The one thing that when you make these videos that you can't smell it. And geez, I bought a new blender, a KitchenAid with a lot of programs. And like everything else, I paid for that myself. Nothing is sponsored here, so it won't be sugar-coated. If it's a piece of crap, I'll say it's a piece of crap. So I'm taking the risk and you're not. So I'll strip some more leaves and then I'll set up with the KitchenAid blender. Right, here it is, my cider and all. The only problem I've got with this lid is really, really tight. So I might have to pause these vids as I go. It's got a lot of preset programs. I'll try and get my finger out of the way. And I'm going to try this. What I think will happen is that I'll have to probably cut these into shorter lengths. Don't know. We'll just try it. I'll see if I can get this off. Oh, tight. So we'll dump some in there. This is a lot more than what I normally do. We'll see what happens. Bang that in there. Bang that in there. Put this on here. Power on. We'll go ice. It's looking like it's doing good. Let's have a look. Oh, can't get this off. Oh, man. I'm going to have to pause this and I'll get it off. Right, it's chopped it a bit too fine, so that program didn't work. So we'll move on. I think I'll try the clean function. Put that in there. We'll see how that goes. Where are we? Clean. I think it's the same. I think it's too much. It's not too bad. Still a bit of dust, so what else have we got? We've got another function. Not sure what that is. Smoothie. Maybe we'll just try blending. I think that's better. The other thing is maybe I need to cut these into, it's too big. Maybe I need to cut these into smaller pieces. So we'll do that. Oh, I'm going to get my fingers in the way here. Anyway, I'll cut some into smaller pieces and I'll see how we go. Right, the conclusion of this is we've finished up with a pretty good bunch. I know there's some fine stuff in there, but that was when I was trying the ice method. But anyway, I'd say buy one of these. Like I say, I paid for this myself. At the end of the day, if it doesn't shred your tobacco, at least you can make other stuff in the kitchen. So, yep, I'll give it 10 out of 10.